you sexy people out there. Oh my god, I just can't tell you, this week has been so hectic for me. And I can't really imagine that June is finally over. But nonetheless, it was a great month. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be telling you a few beauty hacks. And I hope that you will use these in your day-to-day lives. So let's get started. In today's modern, hectic, or rather quick lifestyle, we tend to miss out on so many small things in life. But don't worry, because I'm right here to show you beautiful women some few beauty hacks that you ought to know. Holy basil is also famously known as tulsi, which is a natural ingredient in the whole wide world. You can use dried holy basil leaves on your face with a bit of olive oil and scrub this mixture on your face, which will make your face look younger and fresher. If you want the perfect curved eyelashes, make sure that you dust translucent powder in between coating the mascara to plump up your lashes. This will help create volume in your mascara and also will help you get the oomph factor. Now you can get rid of the acne with the help of flax seeds. What you need to do is mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey and a teaspoon of fresh lime juice and a tablespoon of flaxseed powder. Mix this mixture and scrub your face with this mixture for around 5 minutes and rinse off. You will see the fresh and glowing skin and will also help to reduce your acne. Spraying a lot of perfume is not good. It will make people around you feel that you have just come out of perfume factory. Make sure that you apply perfume behind your ears, on your wrist and on the base of your throat. Here's a quick trick to help you keep your perfume on for hours. All you need to do is apply some Vaseline, spray perfume on it. This will help keep the smell going on for hours and also you will feel fresh, and it will also not allow the perfume to get inside your pores. Don't ever forget to spray the best quality perfumes and also keep your skin safe and soft and glowing. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video, and also if you want to know a few more hacks, don't forget to watch the second part of this video, which will be uploaded soon. Until we meet next, it's all about being beautiful.